Hello friends, welcome again. In this chapter, we will learn about the lookup function. In lookup functions, we will talk about the index function, match function, and use the combination of index and the match function. And one of the most important thing about the index and match function is that it eliminates the weakness of the VLOOKUP function. That is the lookup value has to be the first column of the table, and that is not very necessary in the index and the match function. So before that, let's understand index function, then the match function, and we will do the exercise for better understanding. Index function. Index function returns the value or the reference to a value from within a table or range. In index function, we give the input of a table, okay, and if we tell that function that this is the column number 3 and this is the column number 2, what is the value at row 2 and the column 3, and it will return that corresponding value. Let's understand it in the Excel exercise. Okay, this is the table which is given to us. I want to return the value of finance, okay, from the given table. For this table, this is the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and the column is 1, 2, 3, 4. The finance is in the 4th row, and column 1, 2, 3, third column. Okay, now the corresponding value of this table, which is at row 4 and column 3, is finance. So if you want to return the finance value using index function, how it can be done? So it can be done using index function, index, and array is this one, table array. What is the row? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Third row, sorry, here I have written by mistake 4, that is the 3. What is the column? 1, 2, 3. See, the finance value has been written for the row value at row 3 and row column. Okay, suppose I want to pull the result of Tarundeep, which and what is the position of the Tarundeep? It is at a 9th, 1, 2, 3. It is at the 8th row and the 2nd column. And 2nd column. So I can do index table. What is the 8th row and 2nd column? See, Tarundeep. So basically you must have got the understanding. We are pulling the value by giving the input of row and the column in a given table. So that we will understand how it can be very useful in replacing the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP as well later on. Now let's move on to our next function, that is match function. See, match function, it returns the position of the value where it is residing. For example, let's take a range of A1 to A3, that is which has the value of 20, 21, 22, and we input the value in the match function, that is a match. The first value is the VLOOKUP value, that is 21, and the given array A1 to A3 and the exact value 2. So it will return the number 2. So why? Because the number 21 is in the 2nd atom in the range. Let's do the exercise, it will be much clearer now. Okay, and one more thing, in match we only take the one column only, not the 2 column combined of table. Let's suppose I want to know the position of the employee 6 in this table. I will just put it here. That is, I want to know the row number of this array. So match lookup value is this one, and table look array is this one. Step 0 it is the 7th row. How? Let's check. That is first arrow. Failed the series. Okay, see, is the 7th row. Now let's combine the index and match function, and let's draw the corresponding results of lookup value like we did in VLOOKUP. Let's delete it. First of all, the index function, we need to pull the information of the employee 7. Let's take the index function. Okay, what is the array? This one is the array table. What is the row number? That's the big question, and we will use the match function to get the row number of the employee 7. So like what we did in the match function, like match lookup value is this one. What is the array? So I told you we need to take the only table that has any number of row, only one column, and the lookup value is it is in the employee number in this column. Okay, we will select this one, match type 0, and what is the column number? The name is in the second column, 2. See, similarly, let's do it once again for the department. Index function, table array, what is row, match, and lookup value is this one, and the lookup table is, lookup table is this one, and 0 bracket close, and what is the department column number? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's also generalize the function here so that we need not to enter the formula again and again for the whole table. And the column number is, we need to put it column number as well for generalizing it. B2, B1. Okay, Tarandeep, the first one is A2 complete table. We need to block complete table. What is G3? G3 is the lookup value. So in the lookup value, G is constant and the row is changing, so we will block the G, and array is complete. Lookup array has to be completely blocked, and B1, here in the B1 is this one, and column is changing, row is constant, we will block the column or row. Enter. Now just drag the information. Okay, see, it's beautiful. Okay, I think it is now clear how we have replaced the index function, VLOOKUP using the index function. Now suppose this employee's number is not here, it is at the end of this table. Is this index and match function is still applicable? Yes, it is applicable. Let's do it. I will remove this information. First of all, index function, array, okay, row is taken from the match function, row number, lookup value is this one, table array. Now the array, it was here at column 1, now it is in column E, so we will take this one, 0 exit function, column number, at which column the name is there. Name is at the number 1 column, 1. Okay, enter. See, so there is no need of putting the employee number at the first column. It can be anywhere. Series. Okay, Now let's generalize it. B2 is the table array, we will block everything. G3 is the lookup value, has G's column which is constant and row is changing, so we will block the column, and it is the lookup array, so we will completely block it. And B1 is here, so B1 C2, here the column changing was row is constant, we will block it, the row. Now autofill it. Okay, see, so that is the advantage of using the index and match. Thank you and have a nice day.